Hey guys, it's Christina, and today I am bringing to you a Dollar Tree DIY Christmas tree with a buffalo check flare. Also, stay tuned to the end so you can see some products that I use in my home to keep it in tip-top shape for the holidays. The first thing that you're going to need is a tin bucket from the Dollar Tree or from wherever. You can remove the words on the Dollar Tree bin by using nail polish remover. Then you're going to want to cut your styrofoam block so that it'll fit into your tin bucket. Once you have your styrofoam cut to shape and it fits, just go ahead and jam it in there really good. You can also do a blob of hot glue at the bottom, but I forgot to do this step. Make sure to align your Christmas tree so that it'll be right in the center. Go ahead and jam that in really good. And then for some added stability, when you're done, go ahead and hot glue around the base of it so that it just has some staying power. Next, pull down the branches and make sure that all of the branches are fully out. And then it'll look a little sparse, as you can see here. So that's why we're going to go in with those wired garland ties. And we're going to wrap them around. Start from the bottom first. I started kind of in the center, but start at the bottom. And then once you have it wrapped around, just go ahead and add some hot glue so that it'll stay. As you get higher on the tree, you're going to want to cut a little bit off of the wired garland tie so that it tapers along with the tree. And go ahead and hot glue it just like you did before. One of these trees used about one full pack of the wired garland ties with maybe a couple left over. Next, you can grab whatever you want to decorate your tree. In my case, I'm using the white holly berries from the Dollar Tree pick, but you can use anything. You can even consider flocking the tree by wiping some chalk paint on the top of the branches or taking it outside and giving it a light coat of spray paint. But I just went with the regular natural tree color, and I'm just applying bundles of the holly berries. So I was pleased with my tree at this point, but I still felt like it needed something, and I had a lot of materials to use. So I used my pine cones, I cut it with wire cutters, and then I hot glued a few scattered pine cones throughout my tree for an added effect. Additionally, I wanted to add a little bit of red because I was using my buffalo check ribbon either on the top or the bottom of my tree, and I just wanted something to tie in the red. So I used these red mini holly berry clusters. I got these buffalo check ribbons from Big Lots for $2 for the pack of 4, and I was debating on putting the ribbon at the very top or the bottom, but I ultimately decided on the bottom. Oh my god, it looks so cute, But what I noticed from being in person is that I could see through and I could see the styrofoam base. So I did what I thought I should from the beginning, and I used those mini wood logs and stuffed them into the bottom. It came out so cute and for about $7. An intimidating part of crafting is that you're guaranteed to make a mess, especially with pine needles. So here are some of the products that I use to clean up. This is my handheld Black & Decker, and I think it works really well. I'll link it below. This has been one of my favorite products that I have been raving about. I wish I bought one sooner. It's a robot vacuum. It retails for $1.99 on Amazon, but they've been having these coupons where they have $20 off, 30 or 40. I got mine for $40 off, so I got this vacuum for $160. It works so well. I don't know what I was doing before by not having one of these. I'll link it below. If you have cats like me, then you know that they love to go on your table and interrupt your centerpiece displays, especially if it has needles or plants or anything like that. This spray thing gets rid of that problem, and the cats do not get on the table anymore because it just sprays air at them and it scares them off. I've loved this product, and again, I'll link this below.